Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about how to calculate PCR. Okay. So there can be different ways. Okay, what is basic meaning of PCR means? Uh, how to calculate it first of all? Total puts divided by total calls. Okay. So we have to check total puts means total open interest of put divided by total open interest of call. You can do it by on totally total volume on put side, total volume on call side. Okay, if you will check any of the applications like concept or anything, they will show you a total PCR. Total PCR means total this puts divided by this calls. Total PCR of total option chain. See, if you will divide this puts 3 lakh puts and 3 lakh 30,000 calls. Okay, I took here only round figure to explain you. Okay, so how it will show you 0.9. See, if it is if PCR is more than 1, okay, it means more puts are being sold, more puts are being written. As we have to see option chain according to the option writer, if more puts are being sold, then it means market can be bullish. Means if PCR is going more than 1, market can be bullish. If PCR is going less than 1, market can be bearish, because if it is going less than 1, then calls are being written more than puts. Okay, so this is how it is been calculated basically, but you can calculate according to yourself. See, if you are an intraday option trader, then full option chain matters. But what matter the most is 90% things matter is what is happening in your surrounding strikes. Okay, so if let's say if let's say at the money is 13,500, then what is happening in the surrounding strikes matters the most. So you have to calculate the PCR of surrounding strikes, that how many calls and puts are written here or here. These things matter but not much, so you should have the clarity vision before you trade. Okay, so let's say we will see this. See, you can fetch this data from NSC. You can do it easily. You will find out videos. It will take just 10 minutes. Still, I will make a video on this. You can find out anywhere on YouTube, on Google, or that how to do this. This is work of only few clicks. You can take the full option chain here. It will show you live data. You don't have to keep refreshing. It will refresh automatically. As I'm not expert of Excel, so I don't know much of things. Okay. Before I was doing manual calculation about calculating dissolved open interest, open interest after every hour, to see that on which side pressure has been built on intraday basis. Okay, so here I ATM was 13,500. I will show you what was that, 13,500. So I took four strike, 1 2 3 4 upside, 4 2 3 4 downside. Okay, if market moves upside or downside, I can change my range. Okay, I have to select this. Okay, I can change my range. Okay, which strike I want. I will keep changing strike if market moves a lot. If market changes, it's ATM. Okay, if PCR, see here PCR is 0.46, which means totally bearish movement. See, market is closed already. Anyone can tell after market closed this happened, that happened. But I will suggest you do this and try on a paper for few days. You can see market already falls today. So PCR reacted first. PCR will react. Okay, it will not move much like from 1 to direct 4.6. It will come slowly from 1 to 0.95, 0.93, 0.90. If it is going more than 1, 1.5, 1.10, then it means the bearish market is being more bearish and bearish. This thing you have to look closely. See, you can take 3 strikes up or down, 2 strikes, 5 strikes. I usually prefer 4 strike. It's up to you. Okay, but the looking total open interest for intraday basis can be waste of time. You should have accurate, or you should have clear vision on your thing. Like, I hope you got my point, that what is happening on your surrounding strikes. Okay, that matters the most. the total puts divided by total calls. You can see it will show you here. See, this option chain you can get from anywhere. Okay, if you will message me, I will send you. Okay, you can get this anywhere. Then you have to use the basic formula of sum. Okay, sum, then basic formula of divide. It's nothing, but this is making things lots of simple. Before I was also calculating manually, but this thing is making me simple. This video was not to show you excel sheet, this was to show you that how you can calculate pcr for a option chain. Don't look option chain blindly. Okay, I know that you cannot focus on that it was 27,000. After half hour you will refresh how much it was, how much it was here. It's difficult to remember. Okay, everyone is not having photographic memory here. Okay, so you should have the accurate, not I will not use word accurate, but you should have a clarity of data that what's okay, what is happening here. Okay, so you will see here whatever it will keep changing, it will keep changing here, it will keep changing in your pcr amount. If it is going more than one, you should keep building the position on a bullish side. If it's going less than one, you have to keep on a bearish side. If it is reversing from any side, you have to keep adjusting on yourself. This is not a suggestion, you should try it once. Okay, this pcr method to take a few strike, just to show you how you can get your clarity. Okay, you can message me, I will send you this kind of option chain. You can comment down, I will send you my number. If anyone wants, I will send you this option chain. It will keep changing, you can keep changing your expiry dates also as per strike price. Okay, so you can use this in stocks, but see, stocks are more volatile, so you have to choose 10 strike or 5 strike or more strike than this. Stock can move 4%, 5% anytime, but index cannot move anytime. I hope you understand what I'm talking about is. So try this kind of PCR. Don't waste to calculate to see the full PCR. If you are intraday trader, then keep checking nearly PCR. Okay, thank you.